Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your password on your Betway account if you have forgotten it. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Betway application on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the home page from which you can see various different games that are ongoing. Now from this page, in order to log in, click on the login button at the top section and this will open up the login portal. From this page, tap on Forgot Password at the bottom section, and now you will be asked to enter your username or your email address. Type in the username or email address that you have used while signing up for your account and click on the Submit button. You will then be asked to check your inbox, within which you will find an email that contains a link which will allow you to reset your password. After tapping on this link, you will be allowed to type in your desired new password, and then after proceeding with resetting your password, you can use this newly set password along with your original username in order to log into your Betway account once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on Betway. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.